banana, strawberry, or chocolate?
Chocolate.
Yeah, one chocolate milkshake and
Ice cream.
one strawberry ice cream.
So was it
No, he's changed now. Jaffa Cakes wrapper. Yesterday was just a shopping day. We went Primark, we went Wilko, we went Ikea, and I tried to pick up an Asda order, but my order's stuck. Like, they won't even give it to me because their machine is not working. You know what? If I can still find that toothbrush holder online, I might just order it and go and pick it up in a different Asda store and just call them and refund it. I might do that. Earlier on this week I popped into TK Maxx. I'm going to show you what I got in TK Maxx. I got something from Ikea as well. Also popped into Primark. Basically, let me show you what I got. I'm trying to be eco-friendly using my own bag. In TK Maxx earlier on this week, I went in there because I was looking for a soap dispenser. And I was like, let me look for soap dispenser in TK Maxx. If I don't see anything that I like, I will go and get this soap dispenser that I've seen in H&M. Really nice. It's a pop of colour. I thought it's going to be fabulous in mine. But then when I went into TK Maxx, I saw a shelf. I know it's triangle. You screw this bit here. Yeah, that bit, you screw the screw there, and then you obviously secure it on the wall, and then yeah, it's a shelf. I needed a shelf. I was gonna go to B&M and find a shelf, but then like when I saw this, I was like, this is different. I'm looking for something different. I am gonna spray paint it. I'm gonna spray paint the triangle bit. It's nice to have not the normal things in the bathroom, like just things that just look really different. I think that's different, and when I spray paint it, it'd be even more different. In Ikea homeware, I just popped in there. This was actually a last minute thing. What I originally wanted is sold out in my local Ikea store, unless you order it online, and it's like, I don't want to pay delivery charge when it's back in stock. Let me just get it in its full price. I don't want to pay delivery charge because it's a small thing, and it's like I can travel down just to go and get it, so I might as well wait. But yeah, I just got this. This is actually £3 in Ikea. I know you went to Ikea for this, but this is for the bathroom. I'm redecorating the bathroom. We redecorated the bathroom. Now we're just adding the little decorative bits. I'm really loving plants, like the whole look of plants in the bathroom. Absolutely loving it. So that is the thing I'm going for. Artificial plants in the bathroom because I don't have any window. No plants is going to survive there. Let's go into Primark. He's doing his own thing. But in Primark, I picked up some clothes for the boys. Picked up some jeans for my 5-year-old. For my 4-year-old. £6. I love the shade, and it's even a shade lighter than this. So yeah, love that. Seriously, and they had like black jeans. I think at some point I'm gonna go and get those as well. So I got these. These were £6 too. I believe they were £6. Yeah, £6. Yeah, these were £6. Nice, right? Really nice. My son needs new shoes. Right now, he's only got one pair of shoes. Basically, right, because of lockdown, I ordered shoes on Next for him, and then Next were just taking really long. And then I ordered some shoes on Next, and then I got him shoes from Matalan. Those are too big, so he can't wear them yet. And now he's left with like one pair of shoes that goes with every outfit. Seriously. So I did buy him shoes, but it was just my order from Next was going funny due to COVID, and then the shoes I got from Matalan, they were too big, and then like I was like, I don't want to go and return it because at some point it's gonna fit him. So I was like, I'm just gonna buy him shoes gradually. But yeah, so I'm buying him shoes gradually. But you know, guys, you know I'm picky, so I'm not gonna buy anything I don't like. for myself or for my kids, but I really like this. Talking about pickiness, I've just bought my son, my 8-year-old, I bought them, what's it called, finally bought him a coat, because he wasn't stuck with one. He's got other jackets, but like they're not really like proper like coat to protect him during these cold winter months. I bought him a coat from Matalan, because Matalan, literally, I swear that Jesus was working this, because he was like, she loves a bargain. Why not have Matalan send her little discount code in the post? Discount code arrived in the post today, and I'm looking for a jacket for my son, and then the perfect jacket in Matalan, because I was looking for like a really colourful Parker jacket for him. Discount code came in the post. Ordered it. I was like, what? Okay, hold up, there's a discount code, let me order this. Picked up some plain jogging bottoms for my 4-year-old too. Another thing as well, all this will go so well, you guys. Are we focusing? It's hot. It's nearly 4:35 in the afternoon. I'm sorry if it's really dark. I say it's really dark, and then when I go and edit, it's totally fine. But I can see, yeah. This says game over. It's 5 to 6. It's a hoodie. Don't you think it's nice? You guys, I'm not gonna lie, this was £4. As you can see, they're £4. They are doing some excellent hoodies in Primark for your kids. This and grey jogging bottoms, don't you think it's just really nice? Really nice. This one I picked up for the baby. He has loads of clothes, loads of hand-me-downs for my 4-year-old that are in excellent condition. He does need a cardigan. We are transitioning into like autumn, winter. We are in autumn, to be honest, not transitioning. We're going into that. We're already into that. You know what I mean? But yeah, I got him a cardigan. This was £7. Yeah, I saw this on the phone. I was like, that is lovely. Literally, when I was walking upstairs on the lift and I got off and I looked to the side, I was like, oh, that cardigan's nice. I'm gonna come back for that, but let me just go around to the big kids area. He's got this he's got this sailor tracksuit bottom from H&M. It doesn't really have like a top for it, and I think it would work with this. It would work well with this. Oh yeah, and that one and this H&M jogging bottoms are navy, and this has got a slight hint of navy in it. You might not be able to see, you probably won't be able to see, but it's got a slight, it's just nice. Like, this is like lovely autumn winter stuff for your boys. I thought I only got one thing for myself, but I forgot that I got this as well. Leopard print. This will go well with my Primark leopard print jumper that I got 2 years ago, I believe. Yeah, this will go. You see, I've even got a top knot already. This will go no, don't do this. And lastly, I picked up these earrings. They are really, really, really nice. I really, really like them. And also, I feel like they will work well with that Primark jumper that I really want, the pink one. Yeah, this earrings with this pink eyeshadow look with that jumper, I think it's a look. Seriously, that was it for my little shopping trip. I hope you guys enjoyed this vlog, baby fingers. I will see you guys on my next video. Take care, hope you enjoyed. Share, like and subscribe. I've said it already. Bye guys.